This is a GCS News Break.
The Harris Teeter Distribution Center in Greensboro is responsible for keeping grocery stores stocked and food on dinner tables across the East Coast and Mid-Atlantic United States. They have many employees working around the clock to make that happen. For the first time, Harris Teeter allowed 3 students from the TDL Academy at Western High School to take part in unique internships to get those students real work experience in manufacturing. Caleb Muzamil, Devon Jacobs, and Amara Bush are working as distribution clerks, tracking and monitoring important data crucial to the operations at the distribution center.
I see this place as the brain. I see this place as I'll put you here, you work here, you go here. Plus, not only we're the first people that will be coming into the job, we're also the last people that will be going out.
Devon works in transportation. He receives trucks coming in and out of the facility and tells drivers where to go and what to pick up.
And then I would locate the truck for them, like where they can go pick it up. But just say it's a Harris Teeter driver, they would just set the load or whatever. My part is I check the temperatures on the trailer to make sure it's at the right temperature, like ice cream don't melt or something doesn't get too cold. And then I make sure the trucks are on like the right lots.
Since these students aren't 18 yet, they're limited in the work they can do, but they continue to learn skills related to the job and getting prepared to work full time.
Most students don't get this opportunity, you could say. And even when you're an adult, it's especially because a lot of kids don't even work while in their high school. So it's a kind of it's going to be like a rough transition for them.
I mean, I feel like it's preparing me more than any other job I have, way more. Because I mean, it's an actual line. And I like learning from my coworkers, like how to carry myself, how to do certain things, deal with other adults. That was one thing I didn't really know how to do before coming here.
And helping an organization is something they don't take for granted.
Think of how much of an impact that I would be truly having as just a small intern at this company. It's really exhilarating. It's a great experience that I need to know for the future. And I don't think I would have had that same experience if I had just had the classroom.
This partnership with Harris Teeter is only the start. The company is impressed with what they see out of the interns and expect more in the future.
They excel very quickly. In some cases, we were challenged to challenge them. They're more than equipped for this environment. I hope we can expand it, really. I think this is a great launching pad for what we can do together going forward, and we should think more about how we can expand it and do more of this in the future.
This has been a GCS News Break.